I got 4 bricks on consignment. Then I shot the plug, wiped the print, stuffed his body in a cotton rug, told his kids he skipped town, left them nothing but shrug. Now every call from his cartel sound like they hunting for blood.
Sheesh, Grandma Wiley.
2 for 1, the plug gave me a Costco deal. Glass bowl steaming like I'm whipping up a hospital meal. Chrome stove singing while the miracle seal. Whole strip praising every time the product reveal.
Let's go. She talking.
I'm in the kitchen turning powder rock. The Pyrex feel like holy ground. Fork lift the halo off it. Every scrape another angel down. Stove glow hitting my wrist. Look like I'm talking to the sun direct. Whole block waiting on this batch. I'm conducting what the pot collects.